Now coming up, we're going to come up out of it to here, and this time just use your hands to put them down over one leg. It doesn't matter which one. Just go like that and take the other leg and slide it just straight out at a 90 degree like this. Okay, and then for side splitting, to help with the side splitting on this, watch what you do. You just roll the foot down a bit as you come over it, or center like this and lean in. And I'm flattening my foot. This may be tough for some people to do that one, so you could have it here and just let it roll a little bit. So if your toes are up, you can just let the foot roll. If possible, just roll it onto its edge like that. See how I'm doing that? And come down. Other side. Then we're going to come up like this to the rising bear and grab. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now the bear is going to transform and become the Komodo Dragon lizard. That's it. The rolling wrist, remember? Rolling in. Okay, now watch what we're going to do. We're changing from the turtle into the whale. So right here, roll onto your side. Bring your feet together, but split them just a bit. Inhale. Exhale. Exhale. And I'm going to roll this way to the other side. Inhale here. Exhale here. Inhale here. Inhale. Inhale. And then come onto your stomach finally this way here. Balance. Inhale, exhale.